Turn it up.
Met up just the other day. Did you think that I might turn back and run away? You should know it's not my ordinary, and not my everyday kind of way. Take a leap with you now. When it's rocky, I'll make it smooth. I'll make it smooth. Take a leap with you now. Oh, yeah, I wanna know. Groove Squad. Groove Squad. Groove Squad. Groove Squad. Right Squad. Right Squad. Right Squad. Up top, set. Moving up top, reaching up top, reaching man. Up top, reaching up top, reaching man. Up top, reaching up top, reaching man. Up top, reaching up top, reaching. Feeling this rock's drying up soon. But baby, don't you know that we can go so high? Oh, we can go so high. Oh, oh, oh. Moving up top, reaching up top, reaching that up top, reaching up top, we can go so high. Reaching up top, reaching so high. Reaching up top, go so
Finally, after 12 years, the long wait is over.
through every year and afternoon, here I have flown.
Sabi ko, hindi ako iiyak eh.
Mga minamahal na kaibigan, ngayon ay tunay na mahalaga para kina Christian Allen at Ellen na pinili ninyong maging isa sa sakramento ng kasal ng pag-iisang dibdib sa harapan ng Diyos, ng inyong mga pamilya, mga kamag-anak at mga kaibigan.
Always on my mind, always on my mind, always on my mind.
Ngayon, sa harap ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, ipapahawatig ko uli ang aking pagmamahal sa iyo. Sa loob ng 12 years, nag-grow tayo together, humarap sa mga challenges, nag-celebrate ng joys, at natuto sa mga pagkakamali.
Ang kasal ay isang regalo sapagkat binibigkis nito ang dalawa tungo sa pagbabahagi ng buhay sa bawat isa.
When I met you, my faith in God grew stronger. It is because of Him that we are will be in front of Him at the altar later.
To bring you home, you're
Bakla ba umiiyak ka? Bakla wala pa, mamaya pa. Aga naman.
always on my mind.
Habang buhay kitang mamahalin, kasama ang ating anak. I love you, honey, yesterday, today, and forever.
On past the stars, forever calling. Your beating heart, I love you always. You're always on my mind, always on my mind, always on.
Ellen, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Christian Allen na iyong pakamamahalin, paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Pastor.
Eileen, congratulations. Congrats, Baba.
Congratulations, Lynn.
Akala ko ano lang, chill. Di ba? Parang you're looking forward to it. Tapos when the day comes, it's different.
I see forever when I look.
Pero, ayun, excited. So, excited kasi finally, ano na to church wedding namin. So, finally, yung napangako ko sa kanya last 12 years ago, ito matutupad na namin.
May we have the future we always talk about having. We are yet to make the best memories. I love you and I'm always proud of you. Happy 12 years.
You're like a picture on the walls in my head. Colors like mountains I could name.
Bukal ba sa inyong loob ang pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Ellen na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
My everything, my like no other. Yeah, I could stay here with you for forever. For forever.
Pakatandaan ninyo ito, ang daan sa kasal o pag-iisang dibdib ay hindi laging matiwasay.
Things I've ever seen. You're magic that I never thought I'd find. And there's no in between. You and me will run until the end of time.
Christian Allen, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at Espiritu Santo. Amen.
may dala ako para sa inyo. Tigi-tigisa kayo dito, ha? June. Bugs. Bugs Squad!
Ate! Thank you, ate. One set. Jewelry.
Expect ka may alahas.
Walang lamay dyan. Iba yung saya nila nung may regalo na.
It's right where we belong. This feeling that we found. It's clear to see.
Sa loob ng buhay mag-asawa, ibinabahagi ng mag-asawa sa bawat isa ang kanilang mga pangarap at pag-asa, ang tuwa at kalungkutan.
It's right where we belong. This feeling that we found. It's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything now. It's clear to see we're ready for anything now. Yeah, you and me, we're ready for anything now.
Kasi sa daddy ko siya talaga nag-propose. Sa daddy ko nagpaalam. So, sabi niya, sa Batangas daw, nag-propose siya. Sa Dubai, nag-propose siya. Tapos dito, nag-propose siya ulit. Salamat for fulfilling your promise of a church wedding. For respecting your promise to my parents. Sa mami at daddy ko. I love you so.
It's right where we belong. This feeling that we found. It's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything now. It's clear to see we're ready for anything now. Yeah, you and me, we're ready for anything now.
Sana po, lagi niyo silang ipagdasal upang ang kanilang pagsasama, ang Diyos, ang maging bahagi ng kanilang buhay mag-asawa. Amen.